Try using knives next time. Better for close encounters.
Not a bad move. Very smooth.